Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 03 May 2018, 08 of hour, 27 of minute and 38 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, why is the rainforest important to the world? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about why is the rainforest important to the world. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here's the explanation about why is the rainforest important to the world. Rainforests also help to stabilize Earth's climate. By absorbing carbon dioxide, rainforests help to reduce the effects of worldwide climate change. In addition to the important role rainforests play in Earth's climate, they also are an important home to about half of the species of plants and wildlife on the planet. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.